Welcome back, students of 5th class. My name is Asif, your mathematics teacher. Once again present before you, friends, and I am very much pleased, friends, because you all are appeared at the first term examination and you all got very nice marks. Thanks a lot. Now, friends, in this video lecture we will talk about decimal fractions, their examples, and solve couple of questions of exercise 26. This is chapter number 8 and the chapter name is decimals. So now, friends, let's get started. Here, as you can see, friends, here is the decimal fraction. First, now we are going to define the decimal fraction. In order to define, first we have to make the examples. We have to make the understand. First, see the examples. 3.2. So this is the decimal numbers, okay, and this decimal number can be written as if we remove this decimal, then we can write the 10, because after decimal this is one digit, so we can put the single digit with 1. So this is called 32 divided by 10. So another example, friends, suppose 3.41. so here, friends, 3.41 is also decimal. Now this could be written as, friends, if we remove this decimal, then we can put the twice 0 with 1, because here the number of digits after decimal is twice, so this is why we have to place the 2 times of 0 with 1. So this could be written as 341 divided by 100. Next example, first we can write this could be written as, friends, 2.120. Now remove this decimal, we can write the 3 times 0, because after decimal there are 3 digits, so this becomes 2, 1, 2, 3 and dot dot dot, friends, and so on. Okay, hence we can say, friends, decimals. Now we are going to define the decimal fractions, means fractions with denominators like 10, 100, 1000, so on, are called decimal fractions. So, friends, this is the example of decimal fractions. But if you look at the very closely, friends, then you come to know this decimals has 2 parts. Okay, friends, now let's go ahead. First, see. Now see, friends, here the examples. Now we take any decimal like 3.2. okay, friends, if you look at very closely, friends, then we see there are 2 types of numbers consist of this decimal numbers. First, this number is known as, friends, this is the whole number part, okay, and this is called the integral part also. This is whole number part, okay, and also known as integral part, integral, integral part. And, friends, this one, friends, because this is after decimal, the digits placed after decimal, this is called the decimal part, friends, decimal part, or we can say this as the fractional part, fractional, fractional part, friends. I hope, friends, you got understand, you understood. Now, friends, we will move the further and solve a couple of questions of exercise 26. So in exercise 26 we have to face the questions how to expand the decimal, as is how to solve the expanded form of decimals, okay, and so on. Now let's see. Now see, friends, exercise 26, we have taken the first 2 questions. Here the first question says, read each of the following decimal fractions, and this question has 4 sub questions, and we have taken sub questions. Okay, this is 228.789. so we have to read this. So I have already read as 278, write 200 inverse में 200 HUNDRE 278 point, we can write the point because this is the point 7 seven 7 eigst 8 7 8 and 9 7 8 9 nine. Okay, this is how to read. Now next, come to the next question. Question number 2 says write integral parts of the following. Friends, we have already discussed a little about the integral part and the whole number part. What about the integral part and the fractional part? So we have write only the integral part. Friends, look at the numbers placed before the decimal. Remember friends, the number or the digit placed before the decimal is called the integral part of the decimal. So this 2345, this is the integral part. So this is the answer. I hope friends you will understand. Now come to the next. Now see friends, question number 3. Write the fractional parts of the following decimals. This question has 4 sub questions. We have taken as question B. So this is 27.34. So this the first means friends, the numbers which is placed or the digit which is placed before the decimal is called integral part, and the numbers or the digits which are placed after decimal are called, yes, fractional part. So hence we can say friends, 3 and 4 are fractional part. Okay friends, I hope you will understand. Now next thing friends, and you can solve the question A, C and D. Okay, now see question number 5. Write each of the following decimals fractions in expanded form. Very simple friend. Here is this is the integral part and this is the fractional part. Okay, now this number can be read as 3257. So write the place value of each number and then add. Okay, here the place value of 3, this is 3 as it is, then multiply 1 2 3 times 0 friends, then add, write the 2, then multiply how many 0, 2 times 0 friends, 200, and the fifth means 1 tenth means 1 times 0, and 7 is, this is only 7, and then the plus friends, this is friends once, this is 10th, and the position of 9 is 100th, this 1000th, and this is a lakh 10,000th. That means we can write this is 8 by friends, this is 10th means divided by 10, plus 9 means 100th divided by friends 100 means friends, see the number of here 8. We can write the we can make the 8 as a fraction form with denominator. Here is the 10, then the denominator should be the 100, then denominator this is 1000 means 3 times 0, then denominator 7 by this is 10,000. So this is friends the expanded form of the question C, 3257.8967. So look at the friends, after decimal if you got the digit, this is 8. 8 could be written as 8 by 10 because this is the position of 10th place, 10th, T and T, T, H, 10th, 8 by 10th. The next 9 by 2 times of 0 with denominator means 100. So 6 with the denominator as 3 times 0 with 1 means 1000 denominator. Then come to 7, this 7 divided by this is 10,000 means 4 times 0 with 1. So this is how to write the expanded form of the decimal. I hope friends you understood. Okay, or either friends this could be written as 3 multiply by friends 1000, 2 multiply by friends 100, this is also correct, but this is also correct, and plus friends 5 multiply by 10 plus 7 multiply by 1, and this is as it is. Okay friends, plus 7 by 10,000. I hope friends you will understand. Now see friends, this is the last question of this video lecture. Question number 7 says write as a decimal fraction. In the previous question we have expand the decimal fraction, but here just vice versa, means just reciprocal question, means reverse question. Here friend, this is 0, so 0 is now right here 0 is as it is, but 2 by 10 means after decimal you will get the 2 by 2. This 2 is just the closer and closer to the decimal point. Then come with denominator 100, yes correct, then come with denominator, this is 1000 friends. So this expanded form of the numbers could be written as 0.236. I hope friends you will understand. Now next one is 0 tens. 0 tens means only friends, this is 0 ones and 0 tens. Multiply by tens plus friends 1/10. 0 means 10th means we can multiply either tens friends, doesn't matter. So this is 1/10. 1/10 means friends point, so 1 is just closer to this decimal. Then 300th, so this is 10th, afterwards means 100, this is 3, and then this is 4000th, means here is the 4. So this could be written as friend 0 1 0 0 multiplied by 1 0, here is the 1 times 0, or this could be written as friend only 1 times 0 0.134. So both the answer are correct, and but friends 00.134 is the matching answer with your book. So I hope friends you will understand. So please keep watching this video lecture friends till the end. Remember friends, till the end, do not escape. Okay friends, after looking at the 1 or 2 questions, so please watch this video lecture. Okay, now your homework friends, your homework is from question number 1 to 7. Okay, I hope you please stay home and study much more. Have a nice day.